Hello, guys. Have you ever had this special moment? This moment with this dark, chocolate, handsome African prince, or this light-skinned, beautiful lady, or gorgeous dark African princess, eyeball to eyeball. Heart rates a little bit increase. You and her are edging closer to each other. You know what's gonna lead to. It's gonna lead to a kiss. What was your experience like? Lend me your ears. Because today, what I'm gonna do is, I just want us to talk about step-by-step guide on passionate, loving, and memorable kissing. For couples who want to enhance your kissing skills, this is the place to be. So there are times that are special times. The random ones, we know them, but this is a special, intimate moment. Ensure that you set the mood, choose the location, environment is so comfortable. Imagine soft music is playing in the background. It's a cozy environment. You're just there talking, holding hands together. And then you want to enhance this experience. You look at each other. You want to start slowly, and then you build the momentum. So this is what you're going to do. You start by exploring lips to lips. The reason why you are exploring lip to lip is to be comfortable with the person's mouth, okay? You don't just go all of a sudden, you force yourself to open your mouth. Nah. Explore each other's lips, feel them. Trigger and tease him or her a little bit. It is tender, it is soft, it is gentle. What you're also doing is you're building the anticipation for the person. It's allowing you both to ease into the proper, passionate kissing. I'm talking about deep kissing. So after you have explored each other's lips and you're comfortable and slightly teasing them, mostly the men, I like watching when a man pulls a woman gently to them, not forcing the woman. Gently put your hand maybe behind the neck, slightly caress the partner, and pull them gently towards them. They might rub their face a little bit, or they might just roll their hands through the hair of the lady. You know what the touch does? The touch heightens the intimacy. Boy, oh boy, and the passion. Oh my days, oh my days. Boy, oh boy. This is so amazing. So, as you use your hands to touch her face, rub her neck, pull her slightly close to you. And then, now what you do is that because you have become so comfortable now with her lips, you open your mouth slightly, and the word is slightly. You open your mouth and you use your tongue to tease him gently. You tease her gently with the tongue, mouth open slightly. You can roll it through. Just tease and withdraw to create excitement. And then you can alternate From now, a passionate kiss, intense and to a simple, soft and gentle kiss. So you make it more intense, little bit. What? Alternate it to soft and beautiful to increase the intensity, to create the passion for each and every one of you. You can experience the pressure when it's intense to when it's gentle. And then you incorporate body language. The reason why you're incorporating body language is that some will show you through their body language whether it is too intense, you need to relax. So some people will express it by making some sound to means that I'm loving it, stay right there and do what you're doing. And others will lean closely. This is where you wrap your arms around her, make her feel warm, make her feel comfortable, make her feel easy, and bring her close to you. It's your wife, for crying out loud. Explore her body, enjoy that moment. Pay attention to your partner's cues. If they give you cues to slow down, slow down. If they give you cues to stay at where you are, stay where you are. Remember, it has to be gentle, soft, passionate, and to create a memorable moment. You might decide to take a break after some time. Let's take this break. Catch your breath. You can talk how much you enjoy it, what you like them doing, and what you want to try again. And so you can start again with teasing, exploring the lips, then gently open the mouth and intensify and then slow down. But also, it doesn't have to stay just on the lips. You have to explore other erogenous zones. These are zones that are very sensitive. They have a lot of sensory nerve endings that once those areas are gently touched and kissed, it sends shivers through your spine, kind of like sss. I'm sure wives know what I'm talking about and men know what I'm talking about. Let me hear yes for another experience. So once you extend it to these erogenous zones, it can be the back of the neck. It can be the collarbone. It can be the nipples. It can be what? In between the thighs. Talk about what you enjoy. Openly communicate and make each other feel love. Make them feel comfortable, make them feel happy. What I want to emphasize is hygiene should be top notch. Work on your hygiene. Work on your hygiene. Work on your hygiene. Because you don't want to have a passionate kiss with someone whose hygiene is very poor. So I hope this helps you enhance your kissing skills and make you have your wife ask for more. She's going to ask for more. He's going to ask for more. Especially when you master the skill of teasing and then kissing them passionately. This is Sex in the Temple. My name is Manik.